Life exists in every corner of our planet, from freezing polar regions to scorching deserts, from deep oceans to the highest mountains. But not all living organisms can live everywhere. Different types of plants and animals are found in different surroundings. This is because living organisms adapt themselves to their specific environment. The natural surroundings in which an organism lives is known as its habitat. A habitat provides everything an organism needs: food, water, air, shelter, and the right conditions to survive and reproduce. Habitats can be broadly classified into two major types: terrestrial and aquatic. Terrestrial habitats include land-based environments such as forests, grasslands, deserts, and mountains. Aquatic habitats include water-based environments like rivers, lakes, oceans, and ponds. Each habitat supports a particular group of organisms that are specially suited to survive in that environment. For example, camels live in deserts. They have long legs to keep their bodies away from the hot ground and thick lips to eat thorny plants. Their bodies can store fat, and they lose very little water. Fish, on the other hand, live in water. They have gills to breathe underwater, fins to swim, and streamlined bodies to move easily in water. These special features that help an organism survive in its environment are called adaptations. Every organism responds to changes in its surroundings. A sudden loud sound may make a dog bark or a deer run. These responses are signs that the organism is alive. Living things not only respond to stimuli, but they also grow, reproduce, excrete waste, and have a definite life cycle. These characteristics differentiate living things from non-living things. One important aspect of life is reproduction. All living things produce their own kind. Birds lay eggs, cats give birth to kittens, and plants grow new plants through seeds, stems, or leaves. Growth is another feature of living organisms. A baby grows into an adult, a seed grows into a plant, and a chick becomes a hen. Even though growth may not be visible in all stages, it is always occurring in some form. Another essential feature of living organisms is movement. While animals move from place to place, plants also show movement. Roots grow downward, stems grow upward, and some plants open or close their flowers based on time or light. Movement is not always visible, but it is a sign of life. All living organisms need food to stay alive. Food gives them energy to grow, move, and carry out life processes. Plants make their own food using sunlight through a process called photosynthesis. Animals depend on plants or other animals for food. This creates a food chain in which energy is transferred from one organism to another. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Knowledge Nest. We bring you simple and complete explanations from the NCERT syllabus every week. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Living organisms are also affected by abiotic components in their surroundings, such as temperature, light, water, soil, and air. These non-living factors influence where and how organisms live. For example, cactus plants grow in deserts because they are adapted to dry conditions, while water lilies grow in ponds because they require a wet environment. The interaction between living organisms and their non-living environment makes each habitat unique. Understanding how living organisms survive in their surroundings helps us appreciate the balance of nature. Each organism plays a role in the ecosystem, and changes in the environment can affect the entire system. Whether it's a tiny insect or a massive elephant, every living being has a place and a purpose in the natural world.